Hello traders, it's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is the July the 9th on a Wednesday, and real quickly on the market, not a whole lot to talk about. We've just been kind of going sideways here the last 3 days after trudging higher to all-time highs. Some stuff out there getting tired, but there's been some incredible opportunity, especially in the ARKK stocks. Let's dive in, take a look at some possible setups for today. They're getting a little bit thinner now since we're kind of levitating up here at all-time highs, but let's dive in. First on the list, ADPT. Okay, Adaptive Biotechnologies. This is setting up a beautiful setup here, just catching that 10-period moving average every time it tries to pull back and bouncing off of it. So looking for a move above this one. Let's just call it 1201 is the trigger there in ADPT. Pullback stock here is Wing. This is kind of a low float chicken place, but interesting how it's holding this 50-period moving average. Now this is one where I may look to enter if it breaks above this 3-day high. Okay, 330.26 is the trigger, basically just breaking through that 3-day high. But these kind of plays I keep really, really tight. In other words, I do not, if it comes back down and closes or takes out yesterday's low, I'm out pretty quick. I wanted to defend that 50-period moving average. If it doesn't, it's probably going to come down to this 200-day moving average. WRD, this is a play that I've been in for a few days. Where is it at? Okay, interesting pattern here. It looks like it's trying to put in the bottom. It's been this $8 level has been a critical pivot point going back for several months now. Nice day yesterday, closed above its 50, closed basically in about a 2-week high there. I'm maybe looking to add if it takes out to yesterday's high. So WRD 863 is the trigger there in WRD. Just wanted to keep on the radar. This can be a big mover if it gets going. Last on the list, PSTG. I shouldn't say last on the list because I got plenty of other ones on here. This is just one I'm pointing out to you. PSTG is trying to break out here of a nice range. Looks like if it does, it may be looking at this gap fill back over here, but I do want it to take out this range. So 5801 is the trigger there on PSTG, maybe for a move to get in this air right here and close that gap. All right, guys, that's it for today. Keep it tight, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.